Have you heard of Facebook and Google? Well, that's a silly question. I know you all have, but did you all know that you could get paid for using Facebook and Google? You probably use these two platforms every single day, and because they're available worldwide, this money-making strategy is also available from anywhere in the world. So it's accessible to pretty much everyone. Not to mention that you don't even need to have any crazy skills or experience because it's super simple. All you really need is your device, an internet connection, and the step-by-step instructions that I'm about to give you. We've done all the research for you, so you don't even have to worry about the hard work. Just pay close attention to every single money-making minute of this short video, especially to the bonus tips and recommendations that I'll be dropping along the way. If you like the sound of today's video, smash those like and subscribe buttons, and let's get right into it. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. So, like I said, Facebook will be making us money today. Now, obviously, the first thing you need for this to work is a Facebook account. So if you are 1 in a million and don't actually have one, then go ahead and create one before we go forward. It's super simple to create one. You just need to provide your basic information like name, last name, date of birth, and email address, and that's it. To make something clear though, we won't be building a page or whatever. You just need to create your own Facebook account with your profile and cover pictures, and that's all there is to it. Businesses use Facebook and other social media platforms like Instagram, for example, all around the globe because they understand the value and importance of online marketing. And since Facebook is what will be part of the strategy, we will be looking for businesses that have a Facebook page. And as I said before, you can do so through Google or Facebook. I would personally recommend Google for this. Now, what you want to do is actually type in the search bar is the name of the town or city or even a certain region and the type of business next to it. So for example, Restaurants Philadelphia, as I've done here. What this will do is show you all the businesses in the area and the type of business and areas you searched for. You can search for absolutely anything. It can be a gym, restaurant, store based in North America or Europe or whatever, or wherever. It can be literally anything located anywhere. In any case, when you do the search, you'll be able to see some of the businesses right here, and you want to be able to see all of them. So we need to click on View, and now all you have to do is randomly pick one of these and then click on the website here, which will take you straight over to their site. And on their site, you can find things like contact information and, more importantly for us, their social media information, if they have any. That information is usually located at the top or bottom of the page. If by a slight chance they don't have a Facebook page, then you can skip and go to the next business. Luckily for us, most businesses nowadays do have social media accounts, and so you should be easily finding Facebook pages for various businesses in no time. In my case, I found this person's social media accounts near the bottom. And check this out. This business not only has a Facebook account, but also has an Instagram and Twitter account. And I just have to click on the Facebook logo for it to take me straight over to their page. And their page will be very important in getting us paid. Now, I know that this may be confusing for now, but keep watching and I'll explain everything to you. So when you come back to the Facebook page of the said business, you want to check one thing, which is when did they last post? And that's for us to know whether or not they're active. If their last post was a long time ago, like 6 months ago or even older than that, don't bother. Go and find another page. If they, however, are like this one, which I'm using as an example, then you want to send them a message. And what you will type in that message is an offer to get them more likes on their page. And trust me guys, they will want to accept. I know that many of you will be skeptical of that, but think of it like this. The more likes they have, the more people will see them as trustworthy and good in general, and they will likely get way more customers to their store, gym, or in this case, restaurant. In other words, more likes gets more customers and more money made. So your offer will be essentially a short-term investment for long-term benefits. And you won't be charging them high prices, so there's a very high probability of them accepting. Here's the trick with this though. If you go straight over to Google and search for Facebook likes, likes? You will obviously come across many sites that are selling them, but we won't be using any of this stuff. I instead want to show you something. For example, this site here will charge you just over $20 for 1,000 Facebook likes, and believe it or not, that is a lot. Hence why I say this is a mistake and you shouldn't be doing it. So let me elaborate here what's basically happening. It sounds like this one is not the source of the Facebook likes, that they are selling them instead of buying them from some suppliers for way cheaper and then selling them for a lot of money. And so it's not worthwhile to buy likes from such websites. I'm going to show you the actual suppliers in this video so you will be able to get likes for a very low price and then sell them for a slightly higher price than all of those websites. Otherwise, if you try to do that with sites like this one here, nobody will buy them because they will simply be too expensive and it just won't work. So with that said, how do you find the actual suppliers? Well, head on over to Google and instead of searching for Facebook likes, type in SMM panels. SMM panels are the actual suppliers for likes, views, and subscribers, and there are thousands of them. Literally opening up any one of these and using it for buying likes is a far better deal than those I showed you earlier. Now, some of them are better than others, even though they're all quite cheap. So I will recommend a couple of them in this video, so you get as good a deal as possible. After this video, you can just check out the site yourself to browse through and check out the prices yourselves. So just click on Services right here. From there, just scroll down until you come across Facebook likes, and check this out, for 15,000 likes, we only have to invest $3. Just $3. Meanwhile, on the previous platform, $20 got you 1,000 likes. So as you can see, the price difference is huge. And also, sites that are buying the likes from suppliers are all making a big profit anyway. The next platform that's quite good to use to buy those Facebook likes is called yoyomedia.in. And just like with the previous service, you click on the All Categories and find and select Facebook pages likes from this list. And you will see that just like with the previous site, the pricing is insanely cheap. This site will charge $3.50 for 10,000. You can see that this is slightly more expensive than the previous platform, but it's an awesome site nonetheless. Which one will you use? I will leave that completely up to you, because no matter which one you pick, the process is basically the same. And now what you do is tell one of those Facebook pages, like the one I found, that 10 or 15,000 likes will cost them just $20, for example. And here's the great thing, not only are they getting a great deal, but you're making a very decent profit. So you can use this site to buy the likes. It will cost you just $3 to get 15,000 likes, and if you charge $20, that means you've made $17 from a single customer. Not to mention the fact that you can also charge way more, and it will still be worthwhile for the Facebook page, because like I said, other sites will charge no less than $100 for the same deal. Now, obviously not everyone will be interested, but the thing about this strategy is that there are an infinite number of different businesses all around the globe that you can find with this simple Google search and would be potentially interested in working with you, and so you will literally never run out of potential customers no matter what, and you'll be able to make a lot of money in the process. So that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you've learned anything new today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, and I will see you next time.